Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shimur Syami bin Yaakob and I'm from AP 1114F from Department of Town and Regional Planning. Today I'm making this video to talk about and present about my GIS database development report. Okay, firstly, my report is focused about commercial area in Sri Iskandar Perak. Okay. In this project, it requires the skill to build a GIS database, a real GIS database from a case study at Sri Iskandar, which is my study area, Perak, and conduct the relevant geospatial analysis in MapInfo environment such as thematic mapping and query analysis. Okay, database is totally an integral part of software system. Okay, actually, to produce a GIS database, I'm produce a three model, which is ER diagram. Firstly, conceptual model, physical model, and logical model. Okay, now I will show you the ER diagram that I created for the GIS database, which is conceptual model, logical model, and physical model. Alright. Now we look at my ER diagram. Okay, so you can see my conceptual model. The main is a commercial area. Okay, I produce three attribute, which is road, shop house, and site boundary. Okay, this is for conceptual model. And for the logical model, under the road, the attribute is name, length, and type. Under the shop house, I put the attribute, which is lot number, area, name, and first floor activity and second floor activity. For the site boundary, I put the attribute is area and location. Okay, this is logical model. And for the physical model, this is my type of table that I produce for physical model. Okay, let's see the physical model. Okay, this is for the shop house. You can see the data that I key in the physical model. This is forward and side boundary. Okay, now we can see for developing GIS database. Okay, firstly, when we want to create the database, we have to find the site of the case study for the report. Okay, now for me, I select the commercial area site for the case study using the Google Earth, which is in Sri Iskandar Perak, and save the image in the desktop. Okay, now the size for my site is 10,000 meter square. Okay, after I'm select the site, I'm save it in my desktop and go to the MapInfo and open the new table. Then select raster image for the file type, and after that select file, then open. Okay, now for the next step is I click the register button. Okay, now after I click the register button, I key in the coordinate of the site that have been selected in Google Earth. After that, the image will be displayed in MapInfo. Okay, now I will show you how I do it in MapInfo. We are in the Google Earth Pro software. Okay, for the selection of the site, for my site is in Sri Iskandar Perak, so I search Sri Iskandar. Okay, so this is my site. I calculate the area using the add polygon, and it will show the measurement of the site area, and this is 10,000 meters square. The size of the area. Okay, so save image. This is the legend that I can edit. Now save image, save the desktop, save to commercial. Okay, that is the image that I select from the site. Now I open the map info. Okay, firstly open the new table and file type, open the raster image, and open the file. I open the file location, just in desktop. Okay, this is the file. Okay, when this is appear like this, click register. Okay, so register the image like this at point. Okay, right until 4 point in this image. Okay, so after I put the point for the every corner from the side, so next I put the latitude and longitude that I mark here in this x and y coordinate. Right, when I register, when I put the latitude, longitude and latitude, the image of this site area will appear in this map info. Register the image from the Google Earth. I starting to digitize the image. Okay, for the commercial area, I can conclude that there is 38 unit of shop house in this 10,000 meter square commercial area site. Okay, now this is after I'm digitize the site area. Okay, so I change the color for the building, for the road. Okay, so after that I open the boost table, and it will appear like this. So this is the data that I fill in the boost table. Okay, after that I create the layout for this. Okay, this is the form of the layout that I produced from the map info. Then for the GIS geospatial analysis, okay, now I want to create the thematic mapping. To create the thematic mapping, on the map info, select add theme and then select the thematic type that we want and click next. Okay, you can see there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 type of thematic. So I usually choose the individual type for the thematic mapping and then click next and select table that we want to use at the field, then the thematic mapping will be created. So this is the thematic mapping that I've been produced. So for the outcome, okay, so the issue of this site is, you can see here, there is most of the house building in my site area is empty and there is very little of commercial activities. So mostly in the area of the building and the unit of the building, there is no activities at all. So the building is empty and the activities is little. Okay, that is because the commercial buildings for shop house built out of necessity. So no people will use the building and rent it. Okay, for to overcome the issues for the site area, I can conclude that one of the way to overcome the problem is to rent the building with the low price. So the people area of the site will attract to the shop building and want to rent it because it is rent it is rented with the low price. So it will attract people to rent the building. So actually, creating a database makes it easier for me to find and analyze an area. For example, in my commercial site area in Sri Iskandar, I can see the issues and problem there. One of them I can use from map info to know and analyze the problem is using the thematic mapping. It is very helpful in drawing accurate analysis and conclusions. So it's very helping me. So that is my presentation. Thank you very much.